Okay, now, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
So now we had already completed the first part of it, okay? And this man, what was the name of the scientist, Maria?
Griffin.
Ma'am, Griffin.
Ma'am, Griffin.
Griffin. What did he
Griffin.
do to make himself invisible?
Ma'am,
He
many
takes
drugs.
some drugs.
Drugs.
He takes some drugs to make himself invisible.
Yeah, he took some medicines, he took some drugs, okay? To try this, he tried this experiment on himself and he became invisible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happens when he enters a big, this thing, when he enters in London, you know, in a big mall, what happens there?
Ma'am, the scientist Griffin ma'am, entry in the mall and he wear clothes. He wear clothes and ma'am in the canteens he called meat and
Yes.
drink,
Hmm.
and in stationery shops he take food and some wines.
Hmm.
And ma'am after then ma'am he sleep on pick.
On a heap of quilts. Okay, he entered the
Yes, ma'am.
London store. Why? Because he wanted to escape from the cold winters of London. Okay, it was the middle of January and it was very cold. And as he was invisible, so he was without clothes. Okay, so he did the experiment in which a person can be invisible, okay, only when he removes his clothes. So he was without clothes, so he was feeling very cold. So he entered a London store and there he just stole all the warm clothes. He put on the clothes. Nobody could see him. Why? Because the store, it was already closed and he was all alone inside. Right, beta? अकेला ही वो अंदर था. And
Yes, ma'am.
then he had the restaurant was there, so he took cold meat and coffee from it. Or grocery store से जो meal मतलब sweets and other things, wine वगैरह लेकर आया था, that he took. Okay, but early in the morning he was not able to wake up early, right? And as he got up early, the assistants of the London store, they all were entering the store. Why? Because it was the time to open the store. And as soon as he sees them, he tries to run away. Even those fellows, they followed him, they chased him. And finally, what did he do? To save himself, to escape from those people, he just put off all his clothes, started removing all his clothes, and he became invisible. And finally, he decides that now he is going to go to a theatrical company, the shops where you get drama dresses, okay? And there he goes and he thinks that he is going to buy, uh, not buy, rather he will stole, sorry, not buy, okay? He is going to steal all the things that is required, the clothes, the specs, okay, brimmed hat, bandages to cover his face. Clear? So he did it, and finally what happens in the end, we find that he hits the shopkeeper, the owner of the shop, and he robbed him of his money. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now the next para, eager to get away, put the date, beta. Put the date. Written the date.
Yes, ma'am.
Eager to get away from crowded London, he took a train to the village of Iping, where he booked 2 rooms at the local inn. Okay. Now what happened? He was just very eager, you know. He just wanted to just move away from this crowded London. So he takes a train to the village, Hana, Iping village. He goes there and there he decides to book 2 rooms at an inn. Inn is what? It is a rest house. Okay, जिसको हिंदी में सराय कहते हैं. The arrival of a stranger at an inn in winter was in any case an unusual event. Now this stranger, he arrived at the inn, but it was an unusual event. Why? It was considered as something extraordinary. It was not considered as something to be normal, because tourists or the visitors, they hardly move during winters in the cold country. Why? Why they do not move? Why they do not travel? Why people travel very less in cold countries during winters? Yes,
Due
who
to
will
heavy cold.
answer? Yes, Irfan, why?
Ma'am, heavy cold.
It is very, very cold, है ना? And lot of snowfall is there and all. Okay? तो visitors जो होते हैं वो visit नहीं करते, तो ये बड़ा unusual सा event था. A stranger of such uncommon appearance at all tongues wagging. Wagging, you got it? The tongues were shaking means moving, means the people started talking about this stranger who had a very uncommon appearance. Means how common appearance, we all have a very common appearance na. We wear clothes as others they put on, okay, and we all never cover our faces and all, but this man, you know, he had covered his face with the bandage, and he was having dark glasses and a brimmed hat he was wearing. So everybody, you know, they started talking about his strange appearance. Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife, underline it. Made every effort to be friendly, but Griffin had no desire to talk and told her, my reason for coming to Iping is a desire for solitude. I do not wish to be disturbed in my work. Besides, an accident has affected my face. Now, Mrs. Hall, who was the landlord's wife, the owner's wife, she wanted to come close to the stranger and she wanted to be friendly with him. Okay, but Griffin, you know, he did not have any desire, or he did not have any wish to talk to anybody and to be friendly with her. And so when she comes, Griffin, straightforward, he told her that the main reason for coming to Iping, okay, is a desire. I have a wish to remain in a solitude. Solitude means loneliness. Write the meaning, loneliness. कि मेरा यही कारण है मैं आईपिंग में क्यों आया हूँ, जिससे मैं अकेले में रह सकूं. And I don't want that anybody should disturb me in my work. और फिर besides इसके अलावा what had happened, an accident, you know, it had affected my face. Satisfied that her guest was an eccentric scientist, and in view of the fact that he had paid her in advance, Mrs. Hall was prepared to excuse his strange habits and irritable temper. Okay. अब she was satisfied कि एक बड़ा eccentric scientist है, बड़ा एक सनकी टाइप का इंसान है ये, और फिर साथ में ये भी satisfied हो गई कि advance में this man had already paid to Mrs. Hall, the payment was done in advance. तो वो तैयार हो गई कि जो ये अपने स्ट्रेंज हैबिट्स और इरिटेबल टेम्परामेंट्स जो उसका देखती थी ना, उसको she kept on excusing. Okay, she did not raise any question on his behavior. But the stolen money did not last long, and presently Griffin had to admit that he had no more ready cash. Now, from where did he steal the money? Hurry up. Before coming to Iping, where did he steal the money from? Where?
From the
From the
stationery.
mall.
No, not from the mall.
Ma'am.
Wrong.
मैम इस वो स्टेशनरी शॉप से मैम.
Yes, Rahul.
Stationery shop.
मैम स्टेशनरी शॉप मैम robbed the stationery shop.
Stationery की तो बात ही नहीं हुई
Ma'am.
है. We did not talk
Ma'am,
about
he had
मैम
robbed.
ग्लोसरी
Ma'am, he had robbed the shopkeeper.
यस
the
मैम
shopkeeper.
Grocery shop.
ग्रोसरी
Grocery
शॉप.
नहीं, गलत बेटा. ड्रामा ड्रेसेस अभी लास्ट में बताया था ना मैंने.
यस मैम.
ग्रोसरी से तो वो अपने वो वाइन और वो स्वीट्स वगैरह लेकर आया था. Lekin finally, okay, when he became invisible, when he was trying to escape from the people of London store, तो उसने क्या करा, अपने सारे कपड़े फेंक दिए. अगेन ही स्टार्टेड फीलिंग वेरी कोल्ड. तो वो डिसाइड करता है ना कि जहाँ थिएट्रिकल कंपनी है वहाँ ड्रामा शॉप्स बहुत सारी होंगी.
Yes,
ओके,
ma'am.
एंड देयर ही वुड गो. ही वेंट देयर, वहां पर गया और उसने अपने लिए जो भी रिक्वायर्ड चीजें थी, ड्रेसेस, हैट एंड एवरीथिंग, फॉल्स नोज, स्पेक्टिकल्स, वो सब उसने ले लिए. और पीछे से चुपचाप से क्वाइटली ही कम्स, ओके, एंड ही अटैक द
Yes, ma'am.
शॉपकीपर फ्रॉम बिहाइंड. पीछे से उसको अटैक करा एंड ही रॉब्ड हिम. ओके, समझ में आया? और
Yes,
उसको
ma'am.
रॉब कर लिया. ठीक है, उसका सारा पैसा ले लिया. लेकिन अब वो रॉब करा हुआ पैसा कितना चलता है आईपिंग में? उसने ऑलरेडी पेमेंट कर दिया था, है ना?
मैं
तो
1 month का.
यस, तो थोड़े समय बाद व्हाट हैपेंस, द मनी इट फिनिशेस अप. एंड फाइनली ग्रिफिन जो है मिसेस हॉल के सामने एडमिट करता है कि ही डजंट हैव एनी कैश राइट नाउ. कैश, यू गॉट इट वेरी वेल.
Yes, ma'am.
He pretended, however, that he was expecting a check to arrive at any moment. And उसने ये pretend करा, थोड़ा सा act करा, okay, over acting करी कि you know my check, it would come at any time and I'm going to pay you. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Shortly afterwards, a curious episode occurred. Very early in the morning, a clergyman and his wife were awakened by noises in the study. Creeping downstairs, they heard the chink of money being taken from the clergyman's desk. अब क्या हुआ उसके बाद, a strange incident, okay, it took place. एक क्लर्जीमैन कौन होते हैं? जो प्रीस्ट होते हैं ना चर्च में, ओके, राइट? तो clergyman and his wife, you know, early in the morning they were awakened. They woke up. Why? Because noises were coming from the study room. Okay, तो धीरे से creep करते हुए, creeping means moving slowly down the stairs, उन्होंने देखा the chink of money. chink क्या होती है? The voice of the coins. खनखनाहट होती है ना सिक्कों की, that is the chink of money, voice of the coins, the sound of coins. Okay, and those coins, you know, those money, it was taken from the clergyman's desk. जब वो नीचे जाके देखते, they did not see anybody, beta. Now this stranger, he had entered the house of clergyman to steal him. Okay, he went to his study room, opened the drawers and took out the money. The money was in the form of coins. So he was taking out all the coins. When he was taking out all the coins were making noise. Okay. And when the coins were making noise, that voice, it was heard by clergyman and his wife early in the morning. Got it? Around 4 o'clock. तो एकदम से उन्होंने आवाज सुनी, तो slowly they came down. Okay, और वहां क्या देखते हैं कि the drawer is open and the money is being taken out by somebody who was not visible. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Without making any noise and with the poker grasped firmly in his hand, the clergyman flung open the door. Surrender. Okay, अब क्या हुआ? अब जैसे ही क्लर्जीमैन नीचे आता है, वहां अंदर जाके वैसे उसको कोई दिखता नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे ही नीचे आता है तो व्हाट हैपेंस, एक पोकर लेकर आता है हाथ में. ओके, और आकर वो पोकर जो है ना, अपने हाथ में पकड़ता है और बिना नॉइस करे एकदम से अचानक से ही ओपन्स द डोर और जोर से कहता है सरेंडर. Then to his amazement, but what happens? There was nobody in the room. Okay, the room appeared to be empty. He and his wife looked under the desk, behind the curtains, and even up the chimney. Now, everywhere, both of them, you know, they were looking, right? Where did they look? Under the desk. जो desk बनी हुई थी उसके नीचे देखा, curtains के पीछे देखा, chimney थी room में. Okay, now उधर देखा, but they couldn't see anybody. There wasn't a sign of anybody, yet the desk had been open and the housekeeping money was missing. I told you right now कि वो desk थी, उसकी drawer, it was open, और जो housekeeping money था, that was being missing. Okay, that was taken out. Extraordinary affair, the clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day. Now see, they couldn't find anybody. So the whole day, you know, they were very much stunned, very much amazed, very much surprised. And they said that it was really something very extraordinary. But it was not as extraordinary as the behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. Okay, but कहते हैं कि वो इतना extraordinary incident नहीं था जितना कि it happened with the furniture of Mrs. Hall's. Okay, Mrs. Hall के furniture के साथ. Following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, it is very interesting, okay? And what I said, you just see the movie Hollow Man. When you are going to see the movie Hollow Man, you will understand. Anybody has seen it?
Ma'am, it is a horror movie. Ma'am, a horror movie.
It is not a horror movie.
Ma'am,
Who
I
said
have
it?
searched.
No, no.
Ma'am,
it
I
is
have
not.
Ma'am, it is sci-fi horror thriller film.
Huh?
It is sci-fi horror film.
So then you
Scientific film.
type, listen one thing. Then you type the Invisible Man. Okay? क्या टाइप करोगे आप? The Invisible Man. वैसे Hollow Man नहीं है because I have seen it on TV.
Ma'am,
What happened?
ma'am, the movie it was written that it is the story written by H.G. Wells.
हाँ, H.G. Wells. So then you can type if हो सकता है वो Hollow Man कोई horror movie आ गई हो. But when I saw it a few years back, okay, it was all about the Invisible Man की थी. लेकिन अब आप टाइप कर लेना The Invisible Man.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, movie on the Invisible Man by H.G. Wells. You are going to get it. It is really very interesting. You'll find it really very interesting. Himanshu Prajapat, just mute the speaker. So now, what happens with the furniture of Mrs. Hall's? The landlord and his wife were up early and were surprised to see the scientist's door wide open. One day, what happened? The landlord and his wife, they woke up early in the morning. And what did they see? That the door of the scientist's room, it was open. Usually, it was shut and locked, and he was furious if anyone entered his room. Now, see. अक्सर क्या होता था? The door was closed always, okay, and it was locked. And if anybody entered his room, he became very furious. He became very much angered, okay. He became very angry. The opportunity seemed too good to be missed. अब उनको लगा कि this is a good opportunity and we are going to peep into his room. We are going to look into his room. क्यों? क्योंकि बड़ा स्ट्रेंज उसका व्यवहार था, बड़ा स्ट्रेंज अपीयरेंस था उसका, तो दे जस्ट wanted to know everything about him, you know. उस invisible man ने, ग्रिफिन ने एक suspense he had created. So they peeped round the door, saw nobody and decided to investigate. So when the door, it was open, both of them, husband and wife, they peeped inside. They saw that nobody was there. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि चलो अंदर चल के इन्वेस्टिगेशन करते हैं कि क्या है इसके रूम में, क्या करता है ये, this and that. The bed clothes were cold, showing that the scientist must have been up for some time. Okay, the bed clothes, okay, the bed sheets and the blankets and all, they were cold, they were not warm. When you cover yourself with those quilts or with blankets, they are warm, okay. गरम रहते हैं कपड़े भी. लेकिन उसने देखा कि ये सब ठंडे पड़े हुए हैं, इसका मतलब ये इंडिकेट हो रहा था कि the person who was sleeping, he had woken up, okay. बहुत समय पहले ही वो उठ गया था. And stranger still, the clothes and bandages that he always wore were lying about the room. And जो कपड़े और जो bandages जिससे he used to cover his face, बेटा, that was lying there in the room. What do you think? Where he must have gone?
Ma'am, to
Become invisible. To
Become invisible. Why? Early in the morning.
Ma'am, to rob someone.
To knock someone. Without
Ma'am,
any
to
reason,
rob
he's
To
someone.
rob
to
someone.
rob. Okay,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Whom did he go to rob?
Clergyman.
Clergyman. Okay, because अभी हमने पढ़ा कि same time early in the morning the clergyman and his wife, you know, even they woke up when they listened to the chink of money, the sound of money. Okay, और दूसरी तरफ Mrs. Hall और उनके husband देखते हैं कि early in the morning why the doors of this stranger, okay, room, it is open, and when they peep inside they see nobody was there. वो जो bandages जिससे he used to cover his faces, those were lying there. Why did he remove the bandages? Why? Because so that even his face would become invisible. Okay, इस वजह से तो वो सब पड़े हुए थे वहां पर. All of a sudden Mrs. Hall heard a sniff close to her ear. Okay, sniffing is got it, somebody taking breath like this, you know. So एकदम से अचानक Mrs. Hall, you know, उनको एकदम सुनाई देता है. She hears that somebody is taking breath, है ना, close to her ears. A moment later, the hatch on the bedpost leapt up. Leapt means jumped up and dashed itself into her face. Now, उसके बाद क्या होता है? बहुत अजीब घटनाएं होती हैं. Okay, as if कोई haunted place हो. लेकिन ये सब invisible man की हरकतें थी. कुछ एक आध सेकंड बाद क्या होता है? The hatch on the bedpost. Bedpost, you got it? The bed is there और उसके bedpost लगे होते हैं. ओके, ऐसे हैंडल पोल टाइप लगे होते हैं ऑन ऑल द फोर कॉर्नर्स. ओके, तो उस पर द हेड वाज केप्ट ऑन इट. तो एकदम से द हेड, यू नो, इट जम्प्ड अप एंड इट went and hit the face of Mrs. Hall. Then the bedroom chair became alive. और फिर वो जो chair थी वो alive हो गई. Springing into the air, it charged straight at her legs foremost. And then what happened? The chair, it jumped into the air and it went towards Mrs. Hall and hit her legs. Getting it or not? Who
Yes,
was doing all such things?
ma'am, the
Ma'am,
scientist
Invisible.
Griffin.
Invisible man. See now,
Griffin.
he had robbed clergyman and he had come to his room. Okay, but when he came
Yes,
to
ma'am.
his room, he saw Mrs. Hall. She was there. Mr. and Mrs. Hall were there. Okay, so he became very, very, very much angry. He was very much angry, right? And then he started in anger, he started hitting Mrs. Hall. As she and her husband turned away in terror. Now they were terrorized, बुरी तरह से terrorized हो गए. ऐसा लग रहा था कि all these activities they are done by some this thing, paranormal activities, and they are done by some ghost. Okay, तो बेचारे terrorized हो गए. The extraordinary chair pushed them out of the room and then appeared to slam and lock the door after them. Okay, और उसके बाद that chair, you know, and the chair pushed both the husband and wife out of the room, and then the door, it was slammed and it was locked. Clear? Understood by all?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक. Mrs. Hall almost fell down the stairs in hysterics. Okay, अब इतना घबरा गई, इतना panicked she became कि ऐसा लगा she is going to fall down from the stairs. Almost means she was just about to fall down from the stairs. She was convinced that the room was haunted by spirits and that the stranger had somehow caused these to enter into her furniture. Now, कोई भी इंसान हो बेटा, okay, उसको क्या लगेगा? Some spirits are there, ghosts are there, okay, जो ये सारी paranormal activities कर रहे हैं. तो even Mrs. Hall को ये लगा कि there are spirits in the room. और जो stranger है ना, that Griffin, you know, उसने ऐसा कुछ करा है कि those spirits, they had entered the furniture of Mrs. Hall. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
अब उसको लगा कि ये stranger, you know, he is doing something and the spirits, even he is controlling these spirits, and those spirits, they have entered her furniture also. अब जैसे ही वो सोचती हैं about the chair that was swinging in the air, So she started moaning, she started crying. My poor mother used to sit in that chair, to think it should rise up against me now. Or कहती है, my poor mother, she used to sit in the chair, and that chair, it is rising against me. The chair is coming to hit me. मतलब she was not able to believe it कि मेरी माँ बैठती थी और वही chair मुझे मारने आ रही है. The feeling among the neighbors was that the trouble was caused by witchcraft. Okay, and neighbors वगैरह ये सोचने लगे कि it is all the activities caused by witchcraft. ये सब है ना, जादू टोना वगैरह है, all magic and all. But witchcraft or not, when news of the burglary means robbery, write down. Burglary means robbery. As the clergyman's home became known, the stranger scientist was strongly suspected of having had a hand in it. लेकिन बस अब ये बातें होने लगी कि ये तो कोई spirits हैं, witchcraft हैं. This man, he is doing some magic and all. But as soon as the news it spread everywhere कि the clergyman, he had been robbed of his money, okay, he had been stolen. तो सब suspect करने लगे कि it was the activity of this stranger. Suspicion grew even stronger when he suddenly produced some ready cash, though he had admitted not long before that he had no money. Up this suspicion, this doubt, everybody was doubting that it was maybe it was done by the stranger, but this doubt, it became very clear when very soon he gave money to Mrs. Hall. Do you remember? All his money was finished. Do you remember or not? All his money was
Yes, ma'am.
और उसने क्या कहा था कि soon my check would come. He was not having any cash.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, लेकिन no check had come क्योंकि मिसेस हॉल के वहां कोई चेक कोई पोस्ट आती तो she must have known. Okay, लेकिन ऐसा कोई चेक एक कुछ नहीं आया और जैसे ही उसने मनी प्रोड्यूस करे मिसेस हॉल को तो सस्पेशन या जो डाउट था it was very much clear. Okay. The village
Yes, ma'am.
constable was secretly sent for. Instead of waiting for the constable, Mrs. Hall went to the scientist who had somehow mysteriously appeared from his empty room. A village constable, she was a village constable, okay, was called on by Mrs. Hall. And Mrs. Hall ने सोचा कि instead of waiting for the constable, she herself went to the scientist. और कहीं से वो क्या हुआ है, the bedroom was empty, okay, लेकिन बड़े mysterious manner में he appeared. I want to know what you have been doing to my chairs upstairs, she demanded, and I want to know how it is you came out of an empty room and how you entered a locked room. Now see, when she went to the scientist, okay, what happens, he was not there, the other room was locked. तो मिसेस हॉल थोड़ी सी वो हो गई सरप्राइज और वो कहती है आई जस्ट वांट टू नो कि व्हाट डिड यू डू माय चेयर्स, हाउ माय चेयर्स वर स्विंगिंग, ओके, हाउ माय चेयर्स वर फ्लिंगिंग इन द एयर. और मुझे ये भी जानना है कि हाउ डिड यू कम आउट ऑफ एन एम्प्टी रूम, द रूम वाज एम्प्टी, और आई हैव लॉक्ड दिस रूम, सो हाउ डिड यू एंटर दिस लॉक्ड रूम. The scientist was always quick tempered, he got angry easily. Okay, very fast in anger, very quick in anger, bad tempered, you can write down. And now he became furious. Okay, अब उसको गुस्सा जल्दी आ जाता था और वो furious हो जाता है, गुस्से में आ जाता है बहुत. Mark here only, beta, it is time. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the class will be on Tuesday. No need to send your attendances.